Today's topic is Zeno's paradoxes, dichotomy paradox. Means Zeno of Ela, he was an ancient Greek philosopher as well as a mathematician. And he gave us so many paradoxes, but all are not available in the historical accounts. So I have listed up only four of the most famous paradoxes. Okay, those paradoxes are Dichotomy Paradox, then comes Achilles and the Tortoise Paradox, then comes Arrow Paradox, and the last one is Stadium Paradox. Okay, so here in this video I am not going to discuss all the paradoxes, only the first one, that is the Dichotomy Paradox, given by him so many years ago. Okay, so what is that paradox? Dichotomy paradox is a paradox about the motion. Okay. Suppose he argued that, means Zeno argued that, say a runner is there and that runner has to complete a distance, a certain distance. Okay. So what he need to do, either he has to walk or he has to run to reach the destination. Say first, within taking some time, he first reached half the distance of the total distance. Okay, then he can reach half of that distance, half of the half, then again half of the half of the half. That means first, say the total distance is 1 kilometer. First the runner will reach half kilometer distance, 1 by 2, that is half kilometer distance. Then he will reach next half of that remaining part, that is half of 1 by 2, that is 1/4, and then 1/8. So that way an infinite series he will get, just like half plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 16, that way. So you will get an infinite series. So if you sum up all these distances, small distances, then you will get the total distance. But the question is that, the problem is that if you go on dividing the distances, then you will get infinite number of distance. So you won't ever be able to reach the destination that way. And times are also divided that way. So according to time also, you won't be able to reach that distance. But so this was the problem given by Zeno, and the problem is known as Dichotomy Paradox. And here Achilles and the Tortoise Paradox, this is also about the subdivision. It is a paradox about the Achilles and the Tortoise. They were in race and they were having different speeds. Okay, and the subdivisions of space related paradox is this one. And the next comes arrow paradox. When an arrow is in motion, so for any given instant of time, the arrow is in rest condition. Okay, so this was discussed in arrow paradox by Zeno, and the last one is stadium paradox. Say in a stadium, few objects are kept. Few of them are larger, few of them are smaller, but from a certain distance, whether the objects will appear to be larger or smaller, distance upon the distance from which you are observing those items or those objects. Okay, whether the items kept in the stadium will appear to you as smaller or larger. That depends upon the distance. So all those things were discussed in these three paradoxes. And in the first one, that is the dichotomy paradox, here the problem of subdivision of space and subdivision of time was discussed. But this problem was resolved by the mathematicians. The solution we got from the calculus. You know, there is one convergence theorem in calculus. So from there, the solution was obtained. And we know that, also we know that from mathematics, the knowledge of mathematics, that summation of an infinite series is not always infinite, it may be finite also. Okay. Say for example, half, that is 1 by 2, half plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 2 cube plus 1 by 2 to the power 4. So this is one series. And you know that this is a convergent series, and you will get a finite value of the summation of this series. This is known to you. So this way the problem was solved. Means dichotomy paradox was solved this way. Okay. Okay. Anyway, this is the end of this video. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.